we got pounded. Good morning, welcome back. So I am normally not a breakfast person, but I'm also not a person to give up free food. So first of all, let me show you what they brought for breakfast because it looks incredible. It looks incredible. Thank you. So the first is coffee, and then it is an omelet with some kind of dried meats and some vegetables, some cheese, honey. I think these are peach preserves, hard-boiled egg, and some bread. Breakfast looks incredible, and we're gonna enjoy this. We are trying to figure out what we want to do for the next couple days. So just to give you a frame of reference of where we're at, we are right here in Prizren. And we need to end up in this area eventually because we have a guest house here in a few days and the BMW dealer is right there to get some service done. And I was gonna come up to Peja up here today. However, if you look at this map and the anticipated weather, that looks like a disaster after 2 o'clock. And we're not gonna see anything, it's gonna be miserable. So, plan B is for us to come south towards Tirana, and we're gonna go to a town called Durres, which is right on the Adriatic Sea, and we will let all this pass us by, and then we'll come back up. So that is the plan. I generally don't run from weather, because I have the gear, but I don't, because we're gonna be in the mountains, I don't think we're going to see a lot, or get to enjoy it and experience it, because it's gonna be in the rain, and we're gonna be stuck inside all the time. So, let's go to Durres. One, we'll leave Kosovo, and so we will actually go to another country. We'll be in Albania, and two, we'll be on the Adriatic. And it's supposed to be beautiful. So let's go do that. Oh, from the disaster. Yeah, those clouds look like rain clouds, especially behind us. So we have one stop to make. I want to mail something back for a friend of mine, and we'll get on the road. So we are already starting to get protected from the rain because you can just see it coming, and I have no idea which way we're gonna get out of here. But you can tell I've got the rain cover for the bag. Everything is sealed up. I got all my zips done, and I got the waterproof gloves out already. So I think we're gonna get wet, which means that the technology has to get put away as well. So let's get on the road. Let's just get as far as possible, and we'll play it by ear. Yep, I can feel the rain already. Let's pull over and get gas up here, and we're going to pull over and get gas and take the technology off, and we'll get back on the road. But this will probably be the last time you guys see Prizren, Kosovo. So I'm doing here. We pulled over real quick just to get all the documents ready, passport, car stuff, because we are at the border. That right there is the Albanian border. And because it's raining, I had to take all the cameras off. But I wanted to share with you the border. So we're gonna go in, probably can't film it, and because it's raining, I can't be harder. Anyway, let's get through the border. So I had to pull over, and you can tell I am literally just crossed the border. And I actually don't think I'm quite in Albania yet. or haven't been through Albanian customs yet. But I had to pull over right here behind me and get border insurance. So this is the second time we've done border insurance. So super easy. Guy was super nice. But you know, I've had problems with city names and towns and that kind of thing. So it's not just me. He was doing my paperwork, and he was like, "What's my last name?" Right? And we were hand signals, and I showed him my last name on my passport, and he's like, "Mick Nigget." So I thought it was really cute that he struggled with my last name as well. So anyway, I think we're right kind of in the middle of no man's land between border checks. So let's get on the bike now that I have, I think, all the paperwork, and let's get through this. Although it is kind of raining and gross. So let's get on the bike and let's get moving. We got pounded. The rain started the moment we left Prizren, and it literally just stopped 10 minutes ago. And so you can still see parts of it that way, but really the worst of it's behind us, and we got pounded to the point where it probably was not safe for me to be on the road. It was that hard. I couldn't see, like, my shield was just covered and was fogging up. I couldn't see 20 feet in front of me. Hence why the cameras were not on. But we are now about 10 minutes away from our Airbnb, although we're about an hour and a half early. So what we're probably going to go do is go get lunch and maybe go to the grocery store and get a couple snacks, and then go to the Airbnb because we can check in about 3 o'clock. But let's get on the road and I'll show you a little bit of, we are coming into Durres, Albania. So let's go see that. So we are staying somewhere right through here. So right up this park. Nice. So we found our Airbnb in Durres, Albania. And we are one building off of the water. So there's buildings in front of us. I'll show you the view, a little bit of a view, but we are one building away into the park. So I'll show you a bit. And so quick little kitchen and a place to sit. A nice little deck. And you can see, so Durres is a little bit of a industrial or marine center, or kind of an industrial port. So you can see kind of all the towers. But my view is that I got these two buildings. Oh Jesus! I have these two buildings, but I have a view of the water coming through, and then there's a park down here with all kinds of bars and restaurants and stuff. You're not gonna be able to hear that because of the wind. Anyway, we're gonna be here for a couple days, and we're gonna call this home for a little bit and relax and chill and hang out.
We stood close in the glittering lights. Sure ditch past